Hi, I'm Kayla from Dealer Teamwork, bringing you a thought starter for the week. Did you know that 60% of car shoppers said they visited a dealership or the dealership's website after watching one of their online videos? Trends like this continue to solidify the importance of including video in your dealership's marketing mix. If video isn't part of your marketing mix in 2021, it should be. Here are 4 quick tips to help you get started with video. 1. Start small and start somewhere. Don't shy away from video because you're a small dealership or because you haven't done it before. Even if you can only make a few videos per month, it's important to make time for it. 2. Start a YouTube channel if you don't already have one. You need a place for your videos to live, and uploading your videos to YouTube makes it easy to distribute them across your digital channels. Sharing your videos gets more eyes on your content, and this shows search engines like Google that your dealership is relevant to car shoppers. When search engines think you're relevant, the reach of your content grows naturally. 3. Post your videos on social media and embed them in relevant pages on your website. Again, this helps expand the reach of your message and it gets more eyes on your dealership. And 4. Run YouTube campaigns to reach even more shoppers and to drive more business to your dealership. In fact, one Dealer Teamwork customer drove 82% more store visits with their YouTube campaigns. Plus, YouTube ads are very cheap, and dealers often only have to pay pennies per view. For more tips and specific action items to help you get started with video, download our 2021 Automotive Success Playbook. Check back next week for another Dealer Teamwork Thought Starter. Thanks for watching.